we make how to make itlog. Step 1, mix the itlog. Step 2, put itlog in
the pot.
Step 3, mix the itlog. Step 4, mix again the itlog. Step 5, flip itlog. Step 6, check if there is pagod.
No.
Step 6, Mida luto. Pagali. Step 7, put the flip again. Step 8,
The final flip, step.
the final step, put egg in plato. Oh, tititita!